Hey guys, I'm back today with another recipe, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious spicy vegetable chili. As always, the full recipe with measurements will be in the description box below. We're going to go ahead and start by dicing up our vegetables. You can use any vegetables you would like, but as you can see, I am using green peppers, a poblano pepper, habanero peppers, portobello mushrooms, jalapeno peppers, and a large onion. Once we have our vegetables prepped and ready, we are going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil to a pot that is on medium high. We're going to add our vegetables in and saute them for about a minute or two. You do not want to overcook your vegetables. We want them to add an extra layer of texture to our chili. So just saute them for about a minute or two, and then we're going to add our red kidney beans. So now that I've added the kidney beans, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And then after we add these tomatoes, we will go ahead and season our chili. I am using 2 packets of chili seasoning. And then you will also see later that I go in and add some garlic powder because your girl loves garlic powder. And then we're also going to add our tomato juice. And we're just going to let our soup simmer. So there really is not a set time that you need to allow this to cook. The beans are fully cooked, so you really just want those flavors to soak up inside your chili. I personally let mine cook for about an hour and a half on really low heat, and then once it was done, you see me go in with a flour and water slurry. Personally, I do not like soupy chili. I like a rather thick chili. So I'm just using this slurry to thicken up my soup, and I'm going to let it cook on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to plate it up and serve it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this chili is so delicious, and if you don't tell anybody, they won't know that it doesn't have meat. All those vegetables, by not being overcooked, add just an extra layer of texture, so you're not really going to miss the meat. Let me know if you try this recipe in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.